In this video, you'll learn 5 companies to invest in if you want to make crazy money, and most importantly, what to look out for before investing in them. One of the hottest questions buzzing the internet today is how to use artificial intelligence to make money. And there are all manner of suggestions out there. But in this video, I'm going to focus on 5 companies in the stock market that aren't just riding the AI wave, but are the wave makers themselves. So if you're ready to dive in, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Number 1, Microsoft. Thanks to its $13 billion investment in OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, Microsoft, has a head start on making money from AI. It is already incorporating ChatGPT into its Bing Internet search engine. In addition, Microsoft is licensing its AI services, such as its speech recognition model, so smaller companies can create their own AI applications. It is expected that annual AI-related sales at Microsoft will reach $10 billion by the end of the year and then grow steadily for the next few years. This development means one thing: Microsoft remains a solid platform for any investor who wants to jump on the AI train. You see, Microsoft's investment in OpenAI essentially gives it a say in which companies will get access to that system. And combined with the company's huge size and dominance in areas such as computer operating systems and office software, you get extreme pricing power. Microsoft's AI services are already helping programmers immensely by generating code faster. They are being added to Windows and Microsoft 365 to help office workers with tasks such as creating Excel spreadsheets and PowerPoint presentations. Number 2, Broadcom. Broadcom, a big player in cable set-top boxes, Ethernet routers, and a reliable chip designer, has stepped up production of AI-related semiconductors in recent years. The company's AI revenue is expected to hit $4 billion by the end of October 2023, making up about 11% of total annual revenue. Similarly, AI-related sales are expected to soar to as much as $7 billion by the end of 2024. The firm, which has benefited from this year's impressive AI stock rally, is determined to earn more than $42 a share by the end of 2023, an increase of 12% from the previous year and about a 50% rise from 2021. Broadcom shares jumped by 57% in the first half of 2023, and Broadcom's profits are absolutely booming. Number 3, Nvidia. Long prized for its video game graphics cards, Nvidia is at the heart of the AI revolution. Its chips, which can handle many more tasks concurrently than most standard chips, make up the brains behind ChatGPT and are the basis for AI applications such as smartphone digital assistants, self-driving cars, and surgical robots. The chip industry overall suffered as sales of cell phones and laptops slumped over the past year, thanks largely to the COVID pandemic. But Nvidia's sales have increased steadily from $11 billion in the fiscal year ending late January 2020 to almost $27 billion for the most recent fiscal year. For the quarter ending April 30th, 2023, the company reported earnings of $1.09 a share, down from $1.36 a share in the same quarter a year ago, but well above the 92 cents a share expected by a consensus of Wall Street analysts. Nvidia's potential is no secret. The stock has shot up from roughly $100 a share in the summer of 2020 to $423 recently. It remains well-loved on Wall Street, with nearly 3/4 of the analysts who follow the stock recommending it. Number 4, Synopsys. Synopsys, the California-based company, provides software to help companies such as Nvidia design and produce AI chips. Synopsys stands out because it makes money by selling software to AI designers and saves money by using AI to help write the software it sells. Demand for new kinds of AI chips is expected to increase the company's revenues by more than 14% to $5.8 billion by the end of October 2023, while earnings are expected to jump over 20% to nearly $11 per share. On the other hand, the stock has returned 36% so far in 2023. Synopsys is clearly in great shape to ride the AI boom with no debt and very few competitors, which gives the company great pricing power. Number 5, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSM. Investors focused on AI chip designers such as Broadcom and Nvidia may not realize that another company by the name of Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing produces most of the silicon circuits that power artificial intelligence. As the world's largest contract semiconductor company, The firm's fortunes rise and fall with the notoriously cyclical chip sector. AI demand helped boost TSMC's annual sales by roughly 30% in 2022 to about $73 billion. Because of the time and expense required to build new chip factories, the firm has few competitors, resulting in high profit margins during growth. In 2022, the company made more money compared to the previous year, recording a profit of 45 cents for every dollar it made in sales. The company's stocks are sold on the New York Stock Exchange, and their price is lower than the average price of stocks in the U.S. market. The firm is building plants in the U.S. and Japan to reduce its geopolitical risk, as some investors are concerned about China's threats to invade Taiwan. Artificial intelligence is already writing essays, driving cars, producing new computer programs, and helping scientists seek cures for diseases like cancer. A new report from the consulting firm McKinsey predicts that by 2030, AI could increase global productivity by more than 3%, adding trillions to the world's economy. Microsoft founder Bill Gates, who knows a thing or two about technology, calls AI a revolutionary development that will very soon be able to do everything that a human brain can, but without any practical limits. But, as some alarmists have pointed out, AI is capable of disrupting society by empowering criminals, eliminating millions of jobs, and even driving the entire human race out of existence. Big promises about the development of computers that can learn and think by themselves are making people excited and worried all over the world. This excitement is making the stock prices of companies related to AI go up. The tech-heavy NASDAQ Composite Index increased almost twice as much as the S&P 500 in the first half of 2023. And most of that growth came from just a few companies connected to AI. For example, Nvidia, which makes chips for more than 90% of AI systems, saw its stock price rise by 190% during that time. That said, a lot of AI-related stocks are trading at prices that are more than 40 times what they are expected to earn next year. That is about twice as high as the overall stock market. This can be a problem for investors who want to invest in AI, but are worried about a situation like what happened in 2000 with the dot-com rise. When a new technology like AI comes, people often get excited about it in the short term, but don't fully understand its long-term potential. AI will have a big impact on the financial market, but since we have yet to fully appreciate its true power, the risks can be high. Financial tech experts suggest 3 important questions to help identify companies that could succeed in the AI race. So, let's have a look at them. Number 1. How real is the firm's commitment to AI? Right now, every company is talking about using AI, but it's important to make sure those claims are true. For example, look at the qualifications of the company leaders and the in-house tech experts to see if they understand AI. Check the company's history. Did they use data analysis and machine learning before AI became popular? And most importantly, how much of the company's money comes from AI? Number 2, if the business and the stock are sound? The dot-com bubble taught us that investors who don't pay attention to the basics will lose money. It's important to look at a company's financial health, including how much money they have to grow and compete. When it comes to stocks, it's advisable to focus on the potential for growth and opportunities if you want to invest in the so-called fast-growing companies. Number 3, what part of the AI chain does the company serve? Companies in almost every industry are going to try using AI to make money. However, a lot of these attempts won't work out. Most experts suggest that for now, it's better to invest in companies such as Nvidia and Synopsys that make AI-related equipment or software that others can use. That said, thanks for watching. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are visiting for the first time. Until next time, have a great day.